maglo-launch sila ng sarili nilang investigation po and i-invite si PRRD. Tingin niyo po ba magiging fair si Senator Bato doon po sa magiging pagdinig ng Senado, lalo na siya mismo po yung nadidiin sa issue ng war on drugs?
Hindi.
Paano niyo pa nasabi, sir?
Well, you know, the thing is, he became the Director General of the Philippine National Police during the time of the former president. No? But just imagine, he was only a Brigadier General all of a sudden. Nagdagdagan siya ng star, no? Naging Major General siya and naging Director General. So I would think that he would be more biased than actually balanced in that hearing. No?
Sir, how about po yung mga narco generals? Are you going to invite them? Wala po kasing na-file na case at wala din pong nailutang na evidence. Nabrand po sila dahil close sila sa isang presidential candidate kay former DILG Secretary Marojas na identified doon sa Novotel. Sinabi na pong narco generals agad.
Pag amin na pong iimbestigahan ng drugs, dangerous drugs, palagay ko we will now be able to know and invite who the narco generals are. At this point in time, hindi pa na masyado naming pinag-uukulan ng pansin yan.
Good morning, Kong.
Yes.
Here, right here. Sir, so are you seeing conflict of interest sa investigasyon ng Senado or their planned investigation dito sa war on drugs?
I really do not know if most of the senators would agree to it. No? Sinabi lang yan ng isang senador. So, there might be. But we do not know. No? We still have to wait until such time that it will happen.
On the details lang po nitong pagtap ng AMLC sa investigasyon ng Quadcom, nag-reach out na po ba ang Quadcom to the AMLC? And on the particulars po, kani-kaninong bank accounts po yung titingnan? For example, dun po ba sa mga involved sa killing, for example, ng 3 Chinese within the Davao Prison and Penal Farm? Or dun sa mga involved kay Wesley Barayuga?
We have always invited the AMLC to come and be in our hearing, no? Because of the POGO, o yung money trail ng POGO. Hindi pa namin sila natatanong kung yung money trail that happened in the EJK operations. Ngayon pa lang.
Kaninong transactions po yung particular na titingnan?
Yung
Yung transactions, kaninong particular transactions po yung titingnan, sir?
on the revelation, on the basis of the revelation of Colonel Garma. Oo, yung Peter, no? In fact, we are actually looking at the possibility of inviting him to come. Kung sino man yung Peter na yun. Wala nakakakilala kung sino siya.
Pero papatingnan po yung kanyang bank account sa account.
Yes, because siya yata yung humahawak ng bangko. I don't actually know about it.
Sir, yung mga banks, papatawag din ba natin? Sir, kasi doon sa affidavit ni Garma, naka-specify yung mga banks eh. May mga banks po na specify doon sa affidavit. Papatawag din po ba natin sila?
Hindi yata na-specify ni Garma kung anong bangko. Pero sinabi niya na mayroong bangko. So we're gonna find out kung anong bangko yan. Pag nakita namin, nalaman namin kung anong bangko talaga yan, well, of course, papatawag po namin yan. Kung naka-specify yan, we will call on them. Definitely.
You don't see naman na magiging hurdle yung bank secrecy law, ganyan, wala kailangan.
Hindi naman siguro. I mean, I think the AMLA would know about it. I think that the bank will be honest about the transactions.
may kasi sir, even yung sa Intel funds, parang hindi pa talaga concrete yung what we know right now. Sa tingin niyo sir, in the next hearing, malilink na yung possible sources na STL, Pogo, and yung Intel funds? Sa tingin niyo mabubuksan na po doon o medyo...
In our hearing, there'll be no let up. No? Ibig sabihin, talagang hindi lang namin tatapusin ito. But we will do everything we can to let the people know kung talagang ano nangyari dyan. Kasi sinimulan na namin eh. And of course, this is about politics. No? The thing is, we would like the people to know na talagang kami gagawin namin na lahat para ma-expose lahat itong mga shenanigans na ito, ma-expose lahat itong mga illegal na gawain ito.
Kung may idea na ba ang Quadcom kung doon nga sa nababanggit ni Sandro kanina, go sa TFF or doon sa STL, anong bulk ng money ang pinanggagalingan po?
Kung may idea kami, meron, no? Although we cannot say pa definitely kung ano 'yun, no? Kahit nasa Pogo may mga iimbitahan kaming bangko tungkol diyan to be able to find out the money trail. Pero hindi pa ngayon pag pinag-usapan ng GH kasi umaabot kami ng hating gabi, no? Just to talk about a certain a certain topic, no? So, tingnan natin kung halimbawa masasabi ko sa Quadcom na okay, sa ating next hearing pag-usapan natin ng HJK and then Pogo.
Pero kung when it comes dun sa reward system, ano kaya ang nagagamit na pera doon? Intelligence fund, Pogo money, STL?
Sinabi ko na possibility na lahat nagagamit yan Oo. STL, Pogo Fund, nagagamit din dyan Kasi pag operational expenses yan, pwede mo gamitin yung confidential fund yan Oo. Nakalagat talaga dyan. Just would like to find out magkano ba ang nagamit yan? Saan ginamit yan?
Sir, may amount tayo? Meron tayong estimate kung magkano lang?
Wala pa wala pa kaming estimate kung magkano. Ang inaano namin ganito Kasi sinabi ni Garma, tiered yan 3 level yan Ano? So, pag sinasabi namin, ilan ba ang pinatay? Ilan ba ang pinatay? For example, like, merong pinatay na mayor, merong pinatay na drug lord, merong pinatay na drug pusher. Sa estimate namin, umaabot ng